G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to talk about the wolf pack. Camera's on a bit of a lean. A bit straighter, I think so. Today we're going to talk about the wolf pack. Watching one of the YouTubers, Overland Australia, a young fella that travels around Australia, and he uses the wolf packs, and I had a look at his review and was very impressed, so I bought one. I bought the one just to see and make sure that it was everything that it was made out to be, and it is everything it was made out to be. So I went ahead and bought another 4. So I've got 5 in total, and now that I've used them a few times now, I'm so impressed that I'm going to buy another 2, and that should do me then. I can easily pack the whole 7 into the Tommy camper, and they store beautifully. They pack together beautifully, and they drain beautifully. So let's have a look at that. It's my pack of choice. Very easy on, very easy off. Got 4 clips on the outside. Very easy done up, and very easy to take off. It's got tie down points all the way around it. So on all corners there's 2 tie down points. These tie down points look like a hole through to the box, but they're not. They're actually a void that runs down into an empty space here, so any water that gets in there doesn't get in the box. It just goes straight down and drains out. Great to stack. They stack really well and they stay together. Perfect for the camper. 2 of these together make a great seat. With really poor weather, when we want to sit inside, we've got one seat on the driver's side at the back, but we haven't got a seat on the other side. This here is just perfect. You can sit on these, and I have no trouble at all. I'm over 100, just over 100 kilos, and it certainly takes my weight. So it doesn't leave any bends and indents, and when you need to stack your next case, it'll stack perfectly. Number them, 1, 2, 3. I've got 5 cases all together. My 5th case is fishing. Number 4 is all my cooking gear. 3 is my clothes. 1 and 2, all the stuff, food items and things like that. So really easy stack. Now I can tell you now, if you own a Tommy camper or a truck camper, because of the shape of these, they're perfectly rectangle. They've got flat sides. They stack well. They fit everywhere. It doesn't matter where you want to put them, they'll fit. Unlike the last boxes I had, I bought, they're quite cheap actually. They're from Bunnings. Not a bad box, nice and strong. Couldn't sit on them or stand on them. You can stand on these as well. You can use it as a bit of a ladder if you need to. So I wouldn't stand in the middle of them, 100 kilos, but they certainly take my weight with 1 foot on each of the edges. No trouble at all. Now, the cases I was using for storage, I have one 60 litre case and one 30 litre case, and that's all I could fit into the back of the Tommy camper. The lids packed together, or they packed on top of each other just in corners, and that caused movement. They were concaved, so I lost some storage and lost the ability to store next to them. So I was looking for a better option. I think these are 30 litre containers, but I can stack 6 of these in the back and get away with it. Just what I needed for the camper. So first impressions, not a review, first impressions, because I've only owned these for about 3 weeks. And my first impressions are they're awesome. They're exceptional. They're exactly what I need. In fact, I've got 5. I'll most likely get another 2, and that'll be me then. I can easily fit another 2 in the camper, and that'll be all my storage done. Another good thing about these things is they're just the right size, and the handles are just the right strength to be able to lift them easy and maneuver them around when you want to. So very easy to move. I did buy a tall top on this one. You can see this is a bit taller. You have to buy these lids separate. These lids come separately. Cost me an extra 25 bucks to get a tall lid. What it does, it gives me a spare lid if something breaks, and with the taller lid obviously you can pack more in it, but it gives you the height you need for your taller bottles, whereas these short ones you don't get that height, you have to lay them down. So if you don't want to lay your bottles down, you need the taller lid, and that'll cost an extra 25 bucks. Now, I can't remember what I paid for these. I will find out while I'm editing and post it just below, and let you know what these things cost. They come just with the normal lid and the case, not the high lid. The high lid costs an extra $25 for an extra lid. Well, that's the wolf pack. I like them. First impressions, exceptional. If you got something out of this vid, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. So if you'd like me to do a specific video about the Tommy camper or camping in general, make sure you leave a comment in the comments field, and I'll do my best to get it done for you.